If you have two or more docking stations connected to the one gas bottle, you will need to add a manifold on iNet control. Adding a manifold will tell the docking station which gas bottle it is connected to. Ensuring you have gas physically connected and the appropriate manifold added on iNet control will avoid errors such as CalGas unavailable appearing. To add a manifold, log into your iNet control account and search the serial number of the docking station that you need to add the gas to. This will bring up the docking station summary page where you can scroll down to the gas inlet section to see what gas is currently connected or manifolded to the docking station. To add a manifold, scroll back to the top of the page and select Edit Docking Station Settings. This is found on the top right under the Quick Links section. From here, scroll down to the gas inlet section. This will show you the different gas ports and allow you to add a manifold to a specific port. In this example, I'm going to add a manifold to gas inlet 3. To add a manifold, click Assign Manifold under the desired gas port. In the pop-up window, ensure that From Recently Connected Cylinders is selected under the Choose a Cylinder to Link section, and then click Next. This will bring up a list of all the cylinders that have recently been connected to docking stations within your iNet account. You can scroll across to see additional information about the cylinders, such as the gas type or contents. Once you have confirmed it is the correct cylinder you wish to add, click Select, which is located to the left of the docking station serial number. Then click Link, and now the information will appear in Gas Inlet 3 on the docking station settings page. To save these changes, make sure to click OK at the bottom of the page and then click Yes to changing the settings. Now you have successfully added a manifold. If a calibration gas unavailable message appears on the docking station after you have added the manifold, make sure the gas tubing is properly connected and that your docking station is connecting to iNet control. If a tick appears next to iNet on the docking station display, this indicates that the docking station is connecting to iNet control. Alternatively, you may also need to refresh the iNet settings on the docking station. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.